Today I'm changing out the fog light on the third generation Honda Fit. This is the 2018 GK5. To do that, this is a sport model, so they have this trim piece here across that is rivet in. So some people would go into the side here to take these screws out. I decided not to do that. I'm gonna go underneath and I'll show you. Underneath the car there are two screws that you take out. One there, one here, one there, so I guess it's three. Then these pop clips, 1, 2, 3. I'm on the right side. I've already taken out the stock bolt, so you push it up, kind of bend this back a little bit. So here is the bolt housing. I just unplugged it from this harness. So you basically unclip this and turn it counterclockwise. So let me go get the new one now. Here's the stock one that I've taken out. It's halogen. And I went with Auxito. And this is H11. Let me zoom in. This is H11. And this is white. I didn't want to get the yellow or anything like that. I just want to try these guys out. These guys are pretty cheap and they have decent reviews. I'm gonna come in here. You basically just push it in and turn and locks, and that's it. It's not going anywhere. And then just plug my power back in. It clicks. So now it's daytime. I'm gonna come back at night, make sure the levels are good. I can make adjustments here. So before I put the clips back on, I'm gonna turn the car and make sure it works, and I'm gonna go work on the other side. That's the left side. I haven't done it yet, and it works, looking good. So now I'm gonna go do the other side. All right, now both sides are good. The only thing that's left to do is drive or turn the car on with the lights on at night and just aim them. Make sure they're not too high, not too low, but they should be okay. But I'm gonna have to try them out at night. And these stock clips, after a while, a few years, they tend to break. So I bought a whole bag of these new ones. I put the link and the part number in the description below where I got them. And they always come in handy. There's just one more thing I want to make sure I have or I know before I close this or pull this flap back down. There's a little dial here that it allows you to adjust the fog light up or down. So there are two ways to do it. You can use a Phillips screwdriver and poke it into one of these holes and turn the dial that way. You could do that, or in the center of this, that's an Allen key hole, and you can use an Allen key for it. I have a set here. This is actually a 6mm that will fit into this to adjust for the aiming later. See, I can turn it like this. I'm not going to do it right now, but until at night. So that's something you should know about.
8 hours later.
Just came over to this building near my house, and everything aimed at the wall, so everything is good. They aim correctly, so now I'm gonna go take a drive. I found another wall here nearby, so I just want to demonstrate. This is just the low beams, and I just flick these fog lights on, so they cover pretty wide left and right, so it's definitely helpful. Off, on. I'm driving on these residential back streets, So I'm gonna turn them on, and you'll see how wide it covers on the side. See that? I'm gonna turn them off. Now just the low beams. On the left. And I'm telling you, the camera doesn't really do its justice. It's really helpful to cover the stuff on the sidewalks and by the curb. Look at that. Off. Back on. So these guys really help out the dead spots on the sides. I'm very happy with these. So hopefully this is helpful. Until next time, take care of yourself, guys.